Hope you're doing well today. We are on Grammar Lesson, English Lesson 11. You should have page 6 in front of you, page 6 in English. So it looks like this with the wolves down on the bottom. Now I know some of you already did this page. So you should have it still in front of you, even if it's done, even if it's finished. I want you to have it in front of you. That way, if you didn't understand it the first time you did it, you can fix it now, okay? We're going to start with a little bit of a review. So first of all, let's review our 3 types of sentences that we've already learned. We've learned about the declarative sentence, the interrogative sentence, and the exclamatory sentence. So let's take a look. Declarative, interrogative, exclamatory. I want to match them up with the right description. Shows sudden or strong feeling, ends with an exclamation point. Makes a statement, ends with a period. Asks a question, ends with a question mark. I'm going to scoot my camera over, whoops, just a little bit. Try not to knock it completely over. Did you have a fun ride? Okay, here we go. So, which one goes with declarative? I want you to say it out loud, and then I'm going to do it. So which one goes with declarative? All right, it's the one that makes a statement and ends with a period. Did you get it right? Good job. Okay, interrogative. Which one does that go with? Excellent. It asks a question, ends with a question mark. And exclamatory? That's right. It shows sudden or strong feeling and ends with an exclamation point. Okay, now we're going to work on your page together. So let's start with remember A. It says, identify each sentence by writing dec for declarative, int for interrogative, or x for exclamatory in the blank. Use proofreader's marks to mark which letters should be capital letters and to add punctuation to the end of the sentence. Remember, we've learned that when you're going through writing and you see that you made a mistake or that you need to fix something, you have proofreader's marks, little markings that you put on your page so you know what to fix. So that's what you're using right now to fix these sentences. So if something needs to be capitalized, we put 3 little lines under just that letter, showing it needs to be capitalized. If you need to add something, we use the caret, and we put what we need to add above the caret. Okay? Okay. So let's do number 1 together. It says, I can't find my library card anywhere. By the way, a library card is a little tarjeta that you use when you want to get a book from a library, a biblioteca. You take your little tarjeta, take it to the biblioteca, and they will scan your card, bloop, and then they'll give you a book, bloop, and you have to take very good care of that book, and because it shows up on your card on the computer that you have that book, and then when you bring it back, they scan it again, bloop, they scan your book, bloop, and they say that you no longer have that book. So that's what a library card is. I can't find my library card anywhere. What kind of sentence do you think this is? You could pick 2. Depends on how you're feeling. If you are really upset that you can't find it, you would pick exclamatory because it's showing strong feeling. But if you're just saying you can't find it, you would pick declarative. That's what I'm going to pick, declarative, because I'm just making a statement. I can't find my library card anywhere. Now I need to put proofreader's marks to show what letters should be capitalized and where my punctuation should go. Now we know that every sentence has to begin with a capital letter. Does my sentence begin with a capital letter? No, so I have to fix that. I'm going to add my 3 lines under I, the first letter in my sentence, so that it can be capital. Now I need to add punctuation to the end of my sentence. Since I chose declarative, that means the punctuation I need to add is a period. All right, let's do number 2. Why do you need it? What kind of sentence is this? Declarative, interrogative, or exclamatory? Why do you need it? It's an interrogative sentence, that's right. It's asking a question. So I need to put I-N-T for interrogative because I'm asking why. ¿Por qué? Why do you need it? So which letter should be capitalized? That's right, the W in Y because it's the first word of our sentence. And what kind of punctuation should we use? Well, since it's interrogative, that means I need a question mark. So I'm going to put a question mark right here in my sentence. All right, now you need to finish the rest of Remember A just like that. But you can do that on your own. If you need to fix anything, now you know. Let's go down to write B together. Choose the correct group of words to complete each sentence. Number 1, blank are another kind of nocturnal animal. So which group of words would go in there? In packs, hunt at night, it will growl, gray wolves, bark, whine, and whimper. Which one would make sense? In packs are another kind of nocturnal animal. It will howl are another kind of nocturnal animal. Gray wolves are another kind of nocturnal animal. Ah, that one makes sense. So you'll want to write gray wolves in the blank. Don't forget, you need to capitalize the first letter since it begins your sentence, even though it's not capitalized in the box. They didn't capitalize it, so they wouldn't give away that that one goes there. So gray wolves, just like that, for number 1. All right, number 2. You can cross it out because you won't need to use it again. Number 2, they blank to find their prey. They in packs to find their prey. They it will howl to find their prey. They hunt at night to find their prey. Or they bark, whine, and whimper to find their prey. Which one makes the most sense? They hunt at night to find their prey. Very good. It doesn't make sense that they would howl or bark or whine or whimper because you can't hunt if you're being really noisy. You have to be quiet. So they hunt at night to find their prey. Prey are the animals that they would eat. So you need to write that in the blank for number 2. Number 3, gray wolves live and hunt in packs. It will howl or bark, whine, and whimper. In packs, right? In groups, that makes the most sense. Now make sure you put a period after the word packs because it ends your sentence. Number 4, if a wolf becomes separated from the pack, it will howl or bark, whine, and whimper. It will howl makes the most sense because you need both your subject and your verb. Once again, don't forget your period at the end. And number 5, wolves also blank just like your pet dog. Well, the only one left, bark, whine, and whimper. Okay, so there you've done most of your page already. So go ahead and fix anything that needs to be fixed or finish it up now. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next lesson.